Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to import your media files, photos, videos on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut PC. And from here, what we're going to do first is you want to make sure that you're currently in the media tab and you're in local tab right here. And you can see the import button right here. This is where you would be importing your media files. So you have two ways of importing your media files. So you can go click here on import and you can browse here on your media files. And just like this one, you can select multiple if you'd want to, just like this, by holding your control key or shift key. If you're in Windows, right here, and you want to click on open, and as you can see, you have now your clips right here, and all you have to do is drag it into your timeline if you want to use it. Or you could just simply go and drag that clip right here. Or you could simply just drag that clip right here. So once you have here in your folder, you have this right in your folder, and all you have to do is drag it in here into the media section. And as you can see, it will be imported. Let's pick a different one. So this one. So let's drag it here. And as you can see, it's now imported just like this. Or you could also do this if you want. You can import it directly into your timeline just like that. But I don't really recommend this since this would mess up your video, your editing if there is something here. So I would not suggest that. So yeah, that is basically how you can import your videos, photos here in CapCut PC. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.